I leave the fair shores of this current retail, I'm going to leave behind a geocache.
Have you ever seen those little boxes that sit on the side of power poles? They're for monitoring purposes, you know. But what if they weren't? What if they were actually secretly a geocache? And they were disguised, hidden in plain sight, as it were.
And I'm gonna try and make one using random stuff I find at my job. On my lunch break, of course. Of course. Of course. Of course. So I have this weird grey box, this computer component, this other computer component, and this little screwdriver, and I think this is the key to getting into the geocache. So I cut some components down. It's going to go in there to just the tech gack that you won't really notice because I'll paint it. Like this. Or we could foreshorten this and add this one in. I might do that actually. That looks kind of cool. Found this little screw. I'm going to put it right there. Please excuse my very gross thumbnails. Right in there. And then I got to drill a hole in this somewhere. Like that. Now I'm going to fill all this with super glue. Going to use this little bit of fabric as a hinge to keep the box closed when it doesn't have the screw in it. But we got to flame the edges. I glued some crazy strong magnets on here. So that's nice. And then realized that I put them on the wrong side. I'm going to fix that in a minute. And now I'm going to paint the underside yellow and do a little bit of accent work on it because I want it to stick out like, well, just stick out like a sore thumb. Ooh, that's a good name for it.
Also, I went hard rubbishing, made this cooked baby, made some props and costumes for a short play, did drag, made lasagna, and made a Jag the Joker thing for a local pub. You don't know what that was? Neither did I until I made it. Alright, bye!